The noodle dance.
Yeah, I know what Deja Vu is.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do, because I just had it.
Hey, hey, hey.
What?
Look. Look at me. Look at me. What are you doing? The noodle dance?
Yeah, but I'm making some noodles.
Really? Can I show it to the world?
I cannot show my noodles to the world. I'm coming in here. I'm coming in here.
I am, I know. Okay, get that on my face. That's
Can't
super
touch my
hot.
ramen.
Get closer to me, cause
Can't touch this.
it looks nasty.
So then I added the special ingredients.
Excuse you.
Excuse you.
I'd be freaking fall.
What happened to you? Don't sit.
I'm a spray guard. I bought a new spray guard.
I don't know what's gotten into me lately. I think I'm going through withdrawals.
Hey, my brother saw the Headless Horseman before.
The Headless Horseman?
Yes. You know he's been around lately. Hey!
I didn't mean to. Please, this is so embarrassing.
That'd be
Love you.
the Headless Horseman.
What's that?
The Headless Horseman? A horseman that's headless? That rides on his horse?
I got your Headless Horseman.
I can do the robot dance.
I can't do.
You suck. You look like a damn blow doll.
I am a blow-up doll.
Yeah.
So,
I'm a genie. Hey! Don't touch me. Don't you ever touch me again. Don't! Stop! Stop!
what?
Don't!
Why?
Stop!
Why?
Don't!
I don't understand.
No!
What the fuck?
Don't!
Did you just put some kind of protective armor on you?
Yes, I'm a genie. Yeah, don't! Give me my leg back! Stop! Stop! Smiling.
I don't want your leg.
Why you keep touching me? No!
Alright, I'll just eat my ramen.
Yes! Don't touch my legs. God.
That's
Jesus.
not talking to yourself. I'm outie.
No!
Yeah. Yeah, look at this good ramen. I know how to make some beef ramen. Yeah, can't fuck with me. At 3:13 in the morning. If I stay fly. What up, Oprah?
Alright, I'll send. You never sent me that pic, and then he's all like,